Mm-hmm.
I just got off my work and I arrived at home ju-
Mm-hmm.
just before this class.
Mm, that's good to hear. So you just got home, and I'm not sure. Have you eaten your dinner or not yet?
Actually, I had dinner
Mm-hmm.
before I started work overtime.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you had dinner before you started to work overtime.
Yes.
Okay, so do you always have an overtime or this is just today?
Mm, actually, it doesn't usually happen to me.
Ah,
Yeah.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, but that's okay. So it doesn't usually happen to me. That's a correct sentence. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just wondering, Jeff, because I saw that you have a book or they have suggested a book for you,
Yeah.
which is Senior Orange. But I still want to know, do you want us to talk about your book or do you want us to have other topics?
Actually, I want to change our textbook.
Mm-mm.
I think senior orange textbook is kind of hard for me to make sentences. So,
Ah,
uh, let how about trying to use senior green too?
Senior Green 2.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me just check that one for you, okay?
Yes.
So hold on, let me go to my. Okay, so Senior Green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this one. So have you checked the books?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can you see it? So this is Senior Green.
Yeah, actually, what I was saying is Senior Green Book 2.
Ah, oh, sorry. Okay, okay. So Senior Green Book 2. Thank you for clarifying that. Okay,
Yeah.
hold on. Okay, so this is the book.
Yeah.
So you think Senior Green Book 2 is okay with you?
Yes.
Mm, I like that. All right, so here we go. This one, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so we will start. It's okay. So I will make an update about your book, and moving forward, we will learn Senior Green Book 2. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right then. Okay, so hold on.
Yes.
Okay, so we will be starting with lesson 1. So let me share it with you
Yeah.
because it's not working here.
Yes.
Sometimes it happens, but that's okay.
That's okay.
Uh-huh. Okay, also, if say for example you cannot understand me
Yeah.
and if I talk too
Yeah.
fast, please
Yeah.
tell me, okay? I'm okay with that.
Yeah, thank you for telling me.
Ah,
I get
yes.
it.
All right. So here we go. So this is lesson 1. So it's just a warm up, okay?
Yes.
So of course we will be having a dialogue. So it's up to you. Would you like us to read the dialogue or do you want us to check the vocabularies?
Mm, uh, we start. I want to start a dialogue first.
Okay. So this is what we are going to do with the dialogue. I'll be
Mm,
observing your pronunciation. So please be careful with the words, okay?
yeah.
Good. So how about I read Lyle and you will be Donna? Is that okay?
Yeah. Fine.
All right. So let's start. What are you doing there?
I'm looking for something to wear.
Oh, How about your favorite turtleneck?
That's too thick. The weather report says that it's gonna be warm today.
Oh, get serious. Look how dark the clouds are outside. I'd say this it's going to rain or that it's going to rain.
Yeah,
Mhm. Okay, so could you say again it's going to be warm today?
it's going to be warm today.
Very good. So how about in your city? How's the weather in your country right now?
Actually, it's just cold today.
Okay. So
Yeah,
it's
say
just cold.
winter is just coming.
Mhm.
It's getting colder.
Mhm. Okay. And what do you usually do if it's cold?
Uh, there 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 is actually nothing to do
Okay,
when it
okay.
colds.
Of course. Mhm. So there's actually nothing to do or nothing's or there is no activities
Yeah,
that we can do during winter.
yeah. Actually,
Mm,
uh, I I will just stay in my house and then study English.
wow. Okay.
That's what I do.
Oh, okay. By the way, your sentence, I will just stay at or in. It's
Ah,
better to say in my house.
in my house. Yeah.
Yes. And study English.
Hmm.
Mhm. Okay. So, um, in our place or in our country, we
Yeah.
only have two seasons. Um, the dry season and the wet season. So we don't
Mm.
experience winter.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. So, do you experience a lot of snow during winter? So, can you
Yeah.
tell me more about that?
Yeah. Actually, do you want to see or feel the snow?
Sure.
Yeah, actually, when I was young, I
Mhm.
used to enjoy snowing like this. But
Mhm.
recently, when I grew up, and I don't like, I don't
Mhm.
like to snow as much as I used to,
Mhm.
because I can drive, and it when it if it it
Mhm.
snows,
Yes.
it 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 is dangerous
Mhm.
to
Okay, very
drive.
good. Uh-huh. So it is dangerous. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just want to check your sentence there, Jeff. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So you said I used to enjoy snowing.
Hmm.
Hmm. So I'm just curious about that word. So I just want to know the meaning. Okay, when you say snowing, do you mean to say you enjoyed playing in the snow?
I mean, fall the snow like this.
Mm-hmm. Fold the snow like you make snowballs?
No, no.
No, no. Okay.
Uh, it snows like this.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Snows.
uh,
Like this one? Snows?
uh, it
Mm-hmm.
rains. It it uh, it's windy. It
Ah.
snows like this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I think what you need is when the
Hmm.
snow falls,
Snow
right?
falls.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
so, so so you can say I used to enjoy when the snow falls. Is okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Hold on. Let me write it for you.
Hmm.
I used to enjoy it when the snow falls.
Snow falls.
Uh, okay, so like this one. So can you see that?
Hmm. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's what I meant.
Okay, another sentence that I can give you is this one.
Hmm.
Okay, so just for you to have a lot of option.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
something like this. Can you see that? I used to enjoy the snowfalls.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
This sentence have omitted the when.
Mm-hmm. When. So
Mm.
it's like when or every time, or
Mm-hmm.
another way of saying every time. Every
Mm.
time. So, oh,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. It should be. Okay, let me correct my spelling, okay?
Yes.
So every time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry about
So
it.
I used to enjoy every
Yeah.
time it snows.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yes.
Mm. Okay. Question? Any other question?
No, it's okay.
Mm. Okay. Also, when you said I can't drive when it snows, that's
Mm-hmm.
okay. Very
Yeah.
good.
Thanks.
Because, or you can actually add because it is dangerous
Yeah.
to make it more complete.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, good. Any question before we proceed or before we continue?
Yes. Let's proceed faster.
Okay, very good. Okay, so before we continue, I want you to take a look at these words. So that's to thick. I just want to know if you understand it.
Yes. I
You do?
understand. Yeah.
Okay. How about the weather report?
The weather report. Yes,
Says,
I got it.
very good, very easy. It's
Mm.
going to be warm.
Yeah, it also understand.
Mm, okay. So any words here that you cannot understand? Because if you can, let's go to the next one.
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. There you go. So do it yourself. So on this part, there are example sentences. So it
Yes.
will be your chance to make your own.
Hmm.
Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, I like that. All right, Jeff. So would you like to read first the example or do you want to make your sentence now?
Actually, let me read first and then make my own sentence.
Oh, sure. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Snow in August?
Mhm.
That's
Mhm.
too ridiculous. You
Right.
shouldn't do that. That's the
Mhm.
meaning. Mm, that's too much. I can't possibly accept that.
Okay. All
Mm,
right. So just the word that's too. So
that's
could you make
too.
a sentence also?
Make sentence.
Yes.
Mm, that's too bad. How will be like this?
Yes, yes. Okay. Simple but correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
That is the only
So that's
thing that
too bad.
I know.
Okay. All right. That's too bad. Is
Yeah.
okay. And
Yeah.
mhm, we usually use that, okay? So
Yeah.
that's all right. Okay. So anyway, these are sentences where you can use it. So that's too ridiculous.
That's too
Okay?
ridiculous.
Yes. Also, you have to observe it. So when you read, try to put some emotions like this. Snow in August? That's too ridiculous. Something like that.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, okay. Do you have question here or would you like us to Would you like us to make another example?
I'm sorry.
Do you
Can
want us to make another example?
may I make another example?
Oh, no, me. Do you
Mm,
want me to give you
mm,
another example?
yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. Okay. Another one is this one. So you can also use this, just for your own if you want to have your own example in the
Mhm,
future. So you
mhm,
can say, that's too serious.
mm.
Mm.
Yes, that's too
Okay.
serious.
Yes. Or another word or another one is, that's too funny.
That's too funny. That's too hard.
Uh-huh. Ah, yes,
It's too
that's too
hurt.
hard. Ah, there you go. Yeah. So see, it's
Yeah.
actually, I mean, there's a lot where you can use this word, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I like that. Okay. So how about we go to the next one? The weather report says, go
Mm-hmm.
ahead.
Yes. Don't believe what the weather report says. It's just to forecast anyway.
Mm-mm.
Whatever the weather report says, do the opposite.
Okay.
I can't believe that you really listen to whatever the weather report says.
Okay. How about you? Do you listen to whatever the weather report says?
Actually, I experienced
Mm-mm.
ridiculous things before.
Oh.
Actually, the weather report said, I mean, first, I had summer vacation before.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
At the time, weather report said it it would be raining at the
Ah.
time. So I canceled all plans with
Mm-hmm.
that I would go to somewhere with my friends,
Mm-hmm.
but it didn't rain.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
So
too bad. Mm-hmm.
so that that make me down.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yeah, so that happened to that happened to me. So
Mm.
I actually in Korea,
Mm-hmm.
um, almost Koreans doesn't believe what weather report says.
Okay. Uh, okay. So I like that. So almost Korean,
Hmm.
by the way, or you want to say almost, um, or everyone in Korea.
Everyone in Korea,
Okay.
yeah, that's right.
Doesn't or does not believe in weather reports.
Hmm. Yeah.
Well, that's too bad that happens to you when they said it will be or it's going to rain, but
Yeah.
it did not happen. So too bad, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, very well. So, can you make your own sentences using the word the weather report says?
Yeah. Um, the weather report says it
Mhm.
will be raining, so we have to cancel plan.
Mhm.
Like this.
Yeah. So the weather report says it will rain.
It will rain.
Mm-mm, mm-mm. So we have to cancel our plans.
Our plans, yes.
Mm-mm. So can you repeat that one for me? So the weather report says it will rain. So we have to cancel our plans.
Yeah, okay. The weather report said it will rain, so we have to cancel our plans.
Yes, okay. So sometimes I will ask you to repeat what I said.
Mm-hmm.
That is also to practice your listening skills. Is that okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, good. All right. So, question on this part before we go to the next one?
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. So, how about we go to number three?
Yes. Uh, it's going to be it's going to be warm, so
Mm-hmm.
don't bother bringing an umbrella.
Okay.
It's going to be warm. This is the perfect day to go to the beach.
Okay.
After a long winter, it's nice to hear that it's gonna be warm.
Yes. I mean, I'm just curious. Do you like warm weathers?
Yeah,
You
who,
do?
yeah, who wouldn't, who wouldn't like warm weather?
Uh-huh. Yes. But what if it's hot or very warm?
Mm,
Or it's hot like summer?
yeah, actually, uh, I, like, uh, I need I need air conditioner or some in summer. So yeah,
Mhm.
if I have air conditioner or I am in the place with air
Mm-mm.
conditioner,
Mm-mm.
uh, it's good for me. But
Mm.
if not, I don't like this.
Yes. Okay. Well, most okay. Me too. I prefer summer than rainy days because I there are air conditioners that I can use to make the environment colder, so not very
Yes.
hot.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you usually do when the weather is warm, or what do you usually do if the weather is hot?
Usually, if it's warm, it,
Mm-mm.
there are many things we can do.
Mm-mm.
For
Mm-mm.
example, we can go a picnic with my family
Mm-mm.
and uh, go to the go to the park
Mm-mm.
and yeah, anything we can go, but anywhere we can go, but
Mm-mm.
it's it's very hot. If it's very hot, we can we cannot go all place because
Mm-mm.
we can find cool place like this.
Mm-mm.
So yeah, I like spring or fall more than summer.
Mm-mm. Ah, okay. So now I know that you prefer or you like spring or fall than summer.
Yeah.
Mm. So I think fall and spring and fall are the best weather.
Hmm.
Am I
Yeah.
right or not really?
Yes, actually, at the time we can play even play sport like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So you can even play sports.
Yeah. So
I see what you
I like playing soccer or baseball. Yeah.
mean. I like to. I like to play soccer or baseball.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing that to me. So, how about we make or you make your own sentence using this phrase? It's going to be warm. Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
hmm So, yes. So, can you make a sentence using
Make
this one?
sentence.
Uh
Yes.
huh.
mm, I'm thinking.
It's okay.
Mm, by by the
Mhm.
time by the time we will arrive there, it's gonna be warm.
Mhm. So by the time we will arrive there, it's going to
To
be
be
warm.
warm. Yes.
Yes. It's gonna, it's okay. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, for informal or for casual conversation, you can use gonna,
Yeah.
wanna,
Yeah.
is okay. But
Yeah.
for now, I want you to make it formal. Is that
Yeah.
okay? All
Okay.
right.
It's going
Thank
to
you.
be warm.
Yes, better.
Mm.
Okay, but of course, when you're just talking to your friends outside, it's okay to use gonna or wanna. I'm gonna make it. It's
Yeah.
gonna be warm. It's okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mm. All right. So thank you so much for that. So tomorrow we
Mm-hmm.
will continue to number 4 and number 5. So I was hoping that you can review these phrases if you have time. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. So do you have question?
No, no, it's okay because you teach very good.
Thank you so much. All right. So I will see you tomorrow and
Hmm.
still you just have to enjoy learning English. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So see you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.